is Joshua and welcome to Code Security Tutorial. I'm thrilled to have you here. This channel is dedicated to helping you navigate through the world of technology. If you are looking to learn about software installations, dive into cybersecurity, or just discover new tips and tricks, you're in the right place. I believe technology should be accessible to everyone, so I will be sharing with you easy to follow tutorials and practical advice to help you enhance your skills and stay safe online. I plan to upload new videos every week, so make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Feel free to comment on any topic you would like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for stopping by, and I can't wait to start this tech journey with you.